Hello everyone, I'm Chris Bertilacchi and I'm the owner of Bertilacchi Landscape here on the Central Coast of California. We are a full spectrum, sustainable landscape and construction company. We can take your landscape project from design to completion, and we also have a maintenance division for commercial and residential properties. Our values at Bertilacchi Landscape are very simple. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Your happiness is all that matters to us. What makes us different is Bertilacchi Landscape, we are the outdoor living expert. We listen to our clients, we give guidance, but ultimately we deliver what the client wants. Our company strives to exceed your expectations, and we make it a lot easier than you thought it was going to be. Feel free to give us a call, 805-550-9540, or go ahead and visit our website. You can fill out a client intake form. And landscape is the jeweler of your property, so let's shine some diamonds.